Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CF Architect tutorial how to make hole in floor. So for example, you can create walls in here. I will create a simple wall. And the next, I will create for the second floor. Go to build, click on floor, and then click insert new floor. Click OK and click OK again. So in this project browser, you can see we have the second floor, and you can double click to move into second floor. Now to create holes, you can click again for the floor tools and then use these tools, hole in floor platform. I will create in it for hole like this, and you can go into perspective view. I will use perspective full overview, and then you can move into the second floor. So we create hole in here. So I will double click again in the second floor, and I will use this hole in platform, and we create again from this point into here. And now you can go back into perspective full overview. So create the hole again. So that's it for basic CF Architect tutorial, how to create hole. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.